Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As I mentioned in my previous videos, that I will relieve the code of my two different program demos. One was PDF print and the other was Excel sheet print. So, but there was a condition: I need at least 100 subscribers for my YouTube channel, but that won't. But nevertheless, I will share with you guys how to print an Excel sheet of your particular list. So let's get started. Here you can see I have just designed one list of beverages, and there's a list of product, and we have a product name, product category, and product quality. And these are all our beverages from different with different names. So, and I have a button export. If you click export, you will get the Excel sheet of the same list what you have created in your software. So how can we do it? Let's get started and see. First of all, here we have a product class, and then we have a product name. We have added some items in it. So let's make Excel. Let's make a class for Excel sheet exportation. We will call it export Excel sheet. So we got a class. This will be public, and in constructor, this is constructor. In constructor we have data grid. We will add a data grid, and we need date time. So for that, there is one most important thing which you have to do before you writing this class, is that in your references you have to add reference, and that reference name is Excel object library. So this is built-in by default given by Microsoft. So you have to add this library. When you will edit this library, you can work further. Without this library, we cannot create anything in Excel sheet. So this library helps us to connect with the Microsoft Excel software. So now onwards, I won't speak anything. I will write the whole code and show you the results. Now we have to write a click function for our button, which will perform this whole class method. So for that, we will write here export Excel sheet export equal to new Excel sheet, and then we will give our data grid and date time now. This is all. That's all. So let's test it. This is our list of products and this is our export button. So we will click on export button, and you can see that we got all the data what we have inserted in our list.